my rights as a citizen, as a human being. You're intentionally putting me in danger.
I do not wish anyone to be in danger.
Thank you, then move him.
It's the full flight. I can't move him.
I don't want to sit there. Do you want me to call the cops? Because I will. I'll call them right now.
They can't move people because they don't want to sit next to them.
He's violating our rights and our safety. I asked him for his vaccine card, and he doesn't have one because he's not vaccinated. You have to have a mask and be vaccinated.
You're not exactly wearing a mask.
I'm not wearing a mask because I have asthma. I have a health condition. I have children. I'm fully vaccinated to protect them. You're intentionally putting my health at risk right now.
If you wish to be on this flight, I need you to take a seat. Okay, that is the seat you paid for, and it's the only one of
I know the law. You're violating the law right now. You're completely breaking the law. You have to find me another seat.
It's not the law to be vaccinated to come on this flight.
You can't make me breathe his oxygen because he's not vaccinated. You're not listening to me.
If you wish to be on this flight, I need you to take your seat.
I'm not sitting there. You're putting my life in danger right now. I cannot be made to breathe his oxygen. That's not fair.
This is the seat you paid for.
Do you want me to see my children? Yes, you're putting them in my
I have one available.
I don't want to sit there. He's not vaccinated. You're intentionally putting my life in danger.
After you're not putting your life in danger.
I'm not going to sit there. No, I'm not sitting there. How many times do I have to say this?
I know how challenging air travel is these days, but there will be no discrimination on my part.
It's not discrimination.
Vaccinated or unvaccinated, we should respect each other. And as it seems, you have trouble doing that, please exit the aircraft. I apologize for the delay. We'll do our best to get you into London, England on schedule. Hopefully, make up some of that lost time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Question.